Okay, Bt50, it is raining today and I've just got the car open. I'm going to remove the door lock and make keys to this car. It's an all keys lost situation, and we've just got that tropical storm that's going in Brisbane, and for some reason I forgot my raincoat today. Got my umbrella, but that is it. So you're going to have to do this real quick. Okay, we just cut the key, so we'll just try it. We'll only cut one first, see if it turns in the ignition. And it does. Just like I bought one. So we'll cut the other key, put the door lock back together. Okay, we've just programmed in 2 new keys for the Bt50 and we'll just try it in the ignition. Okay, so there we go. Go on fuel. Let's try the other key in the ignition. And there we have it. 2 keys. Now when you program the remotes for these keys, put it into the ignition, turn it about 6 times. I just go like that. I hear the beep. Press the button on the remote, press the other button on the remote, take the key out, give it a second, and then press the button to try and lock it and unlock it. Sometimes it might just take a couple of times just to press it, and that's it. Alright, all done. And the rain is still here and over there, and that's it.